The Samsung Galaxy Watch has a luxurious black color that comes with a traditional design with a classic round watch face, rotating bezel for easy navigation. Samsung comes with a silicone strap that makes you feel comfortable to wear for a long time. Besides, the buttons on the cord give you the ability to adjust the clock to fit the width of your wrist. The 46mm version has a Super AMOLED screen for sharper, easier to see images, easier to navigate, easier to use, along with Gorilla Glass DX Plus reinforced glass that minimizes scratches when collision. You can read, reply to messages, receive, answer and reject calls right on this smartwatch face without any operation on the phone. You will have many options in Samsung's rich app store to suit your needs best. Samsung Galaxy Watch smartwatches are equipped with many modes of movement tracking and health monitoring. Exercise reminders. Built-in 21 indoor exercises, can store up to 39 track exercises. GPS navigation, gyroscope. Heart rate monitor to build health monitoring chart. Ability to track sleep. The connected health app helps improve stress levels. Samsung has retrofitted with tracking and stress alert. From there, you will be able to capture your own mental state and make reasonable adjustments to improve yourself. The always-on feature allows you to see the time, date and necessary information whenever you do not need to touch the watch. Bixby Intelligent Assistant will analyze and re-evaluate all activities in your day such as daily schedule, weather, reminders, summary of health parameters. Simple charging ability, you just need to put the watch on the base of the magnet charger and the watch will automatically charge. Galaxy Watch is compatible with most phones currently running Android 5.0 and iOS 9 and above. Just copy your favorite music to your watch, connect it to a Bluetooth headset, and your music will be with you wherever you go. For the 46mm version, Samsung has a 472 mAh battery, which can last up to 5 days, but the usage time will vary depending on the tasks used. You will no longer have to worry about swimming, having to move in the rain, or when you exercise a lot of sweat, with a waterproof rating of 5 atm, 50 meters, fitted. The Galaxy Watch takes on life with military-grade durability, swim-ready water resistance and Corning Gorilla Glass DX Plus that prevents the display from getting scratched. Live a stronger, smarter life with Galaxy Watch at your wrist. Rest well and stay active with built-in health tracking and a Bluetooth connection that keeps everything at your wrist. Plus, go for days without charging. Thanks for watching guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.